back at Houston Raceway Park. Quarter mile. Got the rat rod out here, got the bullet out here, and we are gonna stretch the legs on the bullet, make a quarter mile pass, and see what that's all about. A couple changes that we made. We're now leaving back in first gear. Put the 325 rear differential gear back in it, so that's done. And made all the changes in the PC to allow us to leave in first gear. So that being said, the goal for today, get back in the 1-2-60 foots, which is going to take some work, and I want to see a faster mile per hour in the quarter mile than my previous best. And I think if everything goes smooth, I think we can achieve that. On top of that, we got the rat rod out here today, and the goal for it is just to make a decent A to B pass, probably on wastegate. We'll try to put it on CO2, but that's the goal. So let's see how it goes. My car's ready. I'm gonna ice it down here in a minute, go make a pass. We're still working on Andy's, trying to iron out a couple of small issues, but it should be ready to make a wastegate pass here pretty soon. Got Solomon today with us. So guys, manning the laptop. Oh, we gotta take those turbo guards off of there.
My fucking God, it's not.
It's proven. We went 3 miles per hour. We went 3 miles per hour better.
You know who I asked? I asked someone that's gone faster than you and Brian. I asked Turbo Car Joe. Go look on his Instagram. I asked him if he runs with the filter or not. He's like, I don't run with one, but
we're not talking about filters.
They already show tests that it doesn't.
We're not talking
make a
about
difference.
filters. We're talking about turbo guard.
He has a turbo guard filter. What are you talking about? Mental thing. I get it. I get it. I get it. It's a mental thing. I get it.
169.
Mile per hour. Let's go mile per hour. I mean, you took some boost out of it. So
I did take some boost out of it.
This pass ain't gonna beat anything, really.
Probably not, but
so,
we got 4 passes that I want to make today, and this is.
So on that 134, I was like 20 something pounds, right? 28, 26.
At 134, I was like 28, 29. Yeah.
But then it's still not leaned out, so.
Yeah. Oh, look, Harry made it to the show. It's our buddy Harry. Hi, Harry. If you guys haven't noticed or anything, but Harry now has a YouTube channel, which I'll link down here below. So go check out his YouTube channel. Make sure you're subscribed. I'm sure by now, most likely, my people are subscribed to your channel.
That'd be dope. That'd be dope.
Go help him out. But we're ready, bro. We're about to make a pass here in a little bit. The rat rod's getting teched in. Solomon is hot to touch the laptop.
Yes.
And ready to make a pass. It's gonna be a baby pass the first time out.
Okay.
Don't send it, but it's cool.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm a little scared of the quarter mile.
Oh, because we know what happened here.
I'm probably gonna stop at that point where I hit the wall, shed a tear,
just like
and then keep going.
See the mark that's still on the wall, probably.
350Z on the left-hand side.
I'm just practicing right now, Juan.
Made a pass. It felt pretty squirrely, to be honest with you. It was kind of a little bit all over the place. So I may try to make a change to the ARB bar in the back, see if I can get it go a little straighter. But overall, okay pass. I did let out of it because I felt uneasy with it. It still ran a what? What did it run?
8.4 at 157.
8.4 at 157. That's letting out of it. Not bad. We're 1/10 off my personal best.
I know.
Turned down.
I told him he'd probably go 8.1 tonight, maybe.
Yeah, that'd be great. That'd be great to leave on a personal best. So we'll just have to see where it goes. But for now, we're gonna watch Andy. We'll make some changes, cool it down, and we'll be back. No courtesy stage. At 138.
I think he was gonna go 130.
Okay, we got something to work with there. CTSV killer? CTSV killer! Watch out!
CTSV got killed by the baby.
Watch out, baby bullet on a roll!
It felt good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it felt real good.
Good pass.
Smooth.
Good.
Yeah, I was very surprised.
Your burnout sucked.
Yeah, I know.
You need to do a better burnout. It still didn't. I mean, you spun a little bit, not as bad. So we can't mess with boost out of the hole.
I think we need to put more.
Well,
It needs.
first of all, you're running on springs, so you can't.
Yeah.
Well, add it
Gotta
up
put
top. I
And
mean,
it didn't
I don't know.
shift. I had to shift myself.
Really?
Yeah, I redlined and I hit it.
Oh, because the CO2's off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I realized that one
I
time.
should just be shifting it just in general, I told you.
Well, I shifted. That's why I redlined.
That's right. I forgot completely
Yeah.
about that.
Did it bounce off the
That's
limiter
my
or
fault.
not?
It bounced
Just
off
a
the
little
limiter.
Just a little bit?
Very little, but
Good call.
1.5. 1.5.
Good.
not
That's
bad.
respectable.
9 and
So,
Unfortunately, my last pass, they didn't give me the right slip. So when I got the slip, I thought I ran like a 10.0 at 150. It's like, I guess, because I let out of it, I was like, all right, I guess that's what it is. So I don't know what my 60 foot was, and I didn't know what my time was till I got to the pits and they told me, no, because I had the clocks are on. I left the clocks on. Feeling really squirrely at the big end. It's kind of floating on me a little bit. So we're gonna have to make some adjustments in the suspension, not here on the alignment rack. Take a look and make sure that everything's set so it goes straight, because I don't really like that feeling. It's feeling a little bit off. But we did go 8.367, which is so close to our personal best at a much lower mile per hour because I let out of it. And he's about to make his second pass with the rat rod. First pass was just wasted. So we're gonna try to see if this thing's gonna make some boost or not. So we'll see.
What happened?
He's like, I like it. I was like, a little tight, buddy. He's like, I like it tight. I was like, God damn. She said.
All right, there you have it, folks. Man, I don't know if I would say, you know what? I'm gonna call it a successful day because one, I had fun, and two, we really got to see the potential of this American Speed Shop's engine. It's running good. It's running so much better than it did last year. It's unfortunate that the car right now doesn't want to really cooperate with me and go straight. So the good news is that we did kiss our personal best, a 367 tonight at 150, which is not fast compared to that time step. We've been a 366 at 169. That should tell you how much I actually let out of it. But a lot of potential here, a lot of potential. We just need to work on getting this car straight and then come back out and see what it does. So that's it for now. We're loading up, we're getting ready to go, and I'm gonna get to work.